Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party. Firstly, you need to check is your Bluetooth turned on. Open control panel and check it. If it turned off, just turn on it. Now, your speaker should reconnect to your phone automatically, but there is a problem for iOS devices that we need to do this manually after we turn on the Bluetooth. So go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth, and at the device list, tap at your speaker. Also, sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. So try to also, on your Android, go to the Bluetooth for connected devices and tap at your speaker at the device list. Okay, next step is to perform the soft reset. To perform the soft reset, we need to turn off the speaker firstly. So, at the top, at the left side, we have power button, press and hold it. You will hear the prompt and also there will be no LED light at the buttons. We just turn off it. Now we need to turn on the speaker. So press and hold at the power button again, and again you will hear the prompt and you will see the LED light, meaning that you turn on it. Here we go. Now, your speaker should reconnect to your phone automatically, also for iOS devices, but I recommend it to check it. Yes, as you can see, we have connection. Next, if the soft reset didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset, and it's pretty simple at this speaker. So, you need to press and hold at the same time play pause button and volume up button. Until you will hear the prompt, and also there will be no LED light. So, press and hold. I hear the prompt, you can keep holding it, and then it will be no LED light. Okay, then we should reconnect the speaker with the phone. So, go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Now click Forget this device button, but you may have Forget button or Forget device button or Unpair or Remove. And Forget device. And you will remove it. Without it, if you try to reconnect your speaker, on iOS it will ask you to remove it. So now you will say, oh, but firstly we need to turn on the speaker. So let's do this. Press and hold at the power button. Okay, and now, as you can see, we have this window. On Android, it will show you connectional problem. So we need to remove it. After you remove your speaker, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you have Refresh button, tap at this button, or maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After that, we should see the speaker at the device list. Did we have? Yes. So, yeah, we have it. Tap at your speaker. And we just reconnect it. Now, check, is it fix your problem? If it doesn't, I have one more solution to you. We can reset Bluetooth settings. But the problem that you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. Firstly, I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find the similar path to these settings. Okay, so on your iPhone, open settings, and then we should go to the general settings. Scroll down. Click at the general line, and right here at the bottom we have Transfer Reset iPhone line. Tap at that line, then click Reset. In this window you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth Settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. That's why we click at this button. Now we need to write your password. And click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for the iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On Android, open Settings. Then we should go to the System. Scroll down, click at the System line, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, because I have stock Android here, we have Reset Options. Enter here. Then you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and click Reset. And again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!